Can wealthsimple sell my shares without permission? Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a topic that's been on my mind a lot lately. Can wealthsimple sell my shares without permission? This is a really important question, because if the answer is yes, it could have serious consequences for your financial security. So, let's get started and find out the answer. Before we get into the specifics, let's take a step back and talk about what wealthsimple is. Wealthsimple is a Canadian fintech company that offers a variety of financial services, including investing, banking, and tax filing. One of the most popular services that Wealthsimple offers is their automated investing platform. This platform allows you to set your investment goals and risk tolerance, and then Wealthsimple will automatically invest your money for you. So, can Wealthsimple sell your shares without permission? The answer is yes, but there are some important things to keep in mind. First, Wealthsimple is not allowed to sell your shares without your permission unless one of the following conditions is met. You have authorized the sale. You have failed to pay your taxes or other fees. You have violated the terms of your agreement with Wealthsimple. Wealthsimple is required to sell your shares by law. Second, even if Wealthsimple is allowed to sell your shares without your permission, they are still required to give you notice before they do so. This notice will typically be sent by email or mail. Third, if you are not happy with Wealthsimple's decision to sell your shares without your permission, you can file a complaint with the Canadian Securities Administrators, CSA. The CSA is the regulatory body that oversees the Canadian securities industry. Now, let's talk about some of the potential consequences of Wealthsimple selling your shares without permission. First, you could lose money. If the market is down when your shares are sold, you could end up losing money. Second, you could be charged fees. Wealthsimple may charge you fees for selling your shares without your permission. Third, you could damage your relationship with Wealthsimple. If you are unhappy with the way Wealthsimple handled the sale of your shares, it could damage your relationship with the company. Finally, you could take legal action against Wealthsimple. If you believe that Wealthsimple has acted unlawfully, you could sue the company for damages. So, what can you do to protect yourself from Wealthsimple selling your shares without permission? Read the terms of your agreement with Wealthsimple carefully. Keep track of your account activity. Monitor the market price of your shares. If you have any concerns about Wealthsimple's actions, contact their customer service team. In addition, it's important to remember that Wealthsimple is not the only investment platform out there. If you are unhappy with Wealthsimple, you can always switch to another platform. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, stay safe and invest wisely. In addition to the information in the script, I would also like to add that it is important to do your own research before investing with any company, including Wealthsimple. You should also make sure that you understand the risks involved in investing. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. I hope this script is helpful.